going on YouTube? It's me, Nicholas here, and today we're going to be unboxing Nickelback CD, which is the greatest hits, otherwise as the best of Nickelback Volume 1, which is basically a greatest hits album. This was released in maybe 2014 or 13, some sort. We're going to figure out when we get to the back of this. But this is the front of this album. So beautiful. The side. It was like that when I bought it. Don't worry, it was cracked when I bought it, so it's still new to me. Here's the back. Yes, 2013 was released. Here are the 4 members of the band. Includes 18 songs, which is amazing. Here's the other side. Here's gonna be the end. Ooh, something special. Okay, I'm gonna take the disc out, and this is what it looks like in the form. If it focuses, good. If it's not, I'm sorry, but it's gonna look like this. And here's the back of it. Alright, so we're going to open the booklet as soon as we get the booklet. Alright. Oh god. It's going to be hard to open. Okay, come on. See, it's been a while I haven't used this CD for listening, so. Here's the book! Yay! Let's see what's inside. Oh, so it's just name of the CDs, but the back of it is kind of nice. Alright. That's it? Oh, that's fast. So this is a 2013 album, The Greatest Hits. And you can buy this on all stores. But I got this from Walmart, and it cost like $7, maybe 10 or 11, maybe. Not too much of a big deal, but if you like this video, please drop a like on it. I will have more videos on my side, and I will see you next time. Just take a quick final look of this CD, and we'll see ya. And it's not focused. Now it's focused. Next time, we'll see ya.